Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to install 3DS emulator on iOS, the Folium emulator. So before we get started though guys, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so first of all just go to iOS App Store. So you don't really need to go to a third-party website for this. So just go to App Store, search for Folium here, and it's going to be in this application. So it's a paid application, however you can also try it for free by downloading it from their website. So yeah guys, this is how you get 3DS emulator on iOS. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.